Guys, 1 week of the revival experiment is done. And I have to be honest with you, I didn't expect these numbers. In just 7 days, I went from 30 subscribers to 54 subscribers. My watch hour tripled, and one of my shorts got 142 views. Let me walk you through what worked and what happened and what I'm doing next. Let's head to my YouTube studio. As you can see here, before the experiment, just like we all know, we have 30 subscribers. Now you can see what we have here now is 54 subscribers. If you do the math very well, you can see we have additional 24 new subscribers in 1 week. As you can see, at this pace, I will hit 100 in under 30 days. You can see here, watch hour. We had before 5.2 watch hours, but today, look at what we have here, 16 hours. That is more than tripled. Then the total view in the last 7 days, we are having 303 views across everything. As you can see, this is the same channel that was stopped at 30 subscribers for 2 years. So you can imagine, you can see the reason I'm excited. So what actually moved this needle? That is the question. Let me show you a breakdown of what worked. Yeah. Let me break down the content performance. See, as you can see here, the long form video, my 30 days experiment launch video, got 47 views. That's my baseline. Not viral, as most of you might think. It's not viral, but solid for a channel of this size. People are watching it all the way through, which tells me the retention is decent. You can see my shorts. This is where it got interesting. I posted 4 shorts. My short 1 had 21 views. As you can see it here, 21 views. My second shot got 46 views. As you can see, 46 views. This was the winner. Okay, let's go to the second shot. The second shot got 79 views. Okay, and my fourth shot got 10 views as at the time of this video. All right, as you can see, one shot got 146. Another shot got 79 views. That tells me the hook of the 146 shots resonated. That means I'm going to study exactly what made this particular shot be different, and then I'll double turn on that style exactly. As you can see from those data analysis, you can see that what we are doing here is a very real and not hype. We are just going straight to the point, trying to see how we can revive this channel, and it's going as planned. Next thing, I had a community poll. Immediately I hit 50 subscribers. I had community poll because the 50 subscribers unlocked the live stream tab. Immediately I hit the 50 subscribers, which I never thought I would get in that first week. And that 50 subscribers unlock the live stream tab. So immediately I made a poll in my community and asked a question about what exactly is your biggest YouTube struggle right now. I got response from a engagement from real people. It was exciting. That's huge for a channel this size. Let's just do the math. Am I on track? Let's head back and check my 30 days goal. Because before we started this video, our week 1 video, we set up all our goals. Let's go back and do the math and see these goals and see if we are on track. Our first goal was 100 subscribers. And as at this moment, we have 54 subscribers. That means we need 46 more subscribers in 23 days. So if we can get 24 subscribers in 7 days, that means this is achievable in 23 days. That is 2 subscribers every day. And our goal 2 is 50 watch hour. Currently at 16.6. Need 33.4 more. With this pace, I will hit 50 watch hour right on schedule. So as you can see, mathematically, I am on track. But here is the catch. Growth isn't always linear. Some weeks are great, some are flat, but I will show you both. What are the lessons that I learned from this first video? Here is what I learned that you can steal. Shots are my discovery engine. The 146 views shots brought in several new subscribers to the channel who then click and watch my long form content. That is the funnel working. Shots to subscriber to watching long form videos. So if you are under 500 subscribers, don't ignore shorts. They are the easiest way to get more eyes to your channel. Lesson 2. The community tab is underrated. The community tab at 50 subscribers is a game changer. I posted one poll and got more engagement than most of my old videos. Community tab is like a direct line to your audience. Use it, ask questions, share quick updates, go behind the scene. It tells YouTube that your channel is alive and active. Lesson 3. I learned that consistency beats perfection. I don't overthink these videos. I recorded, edited quickly, and published. This shot that got 146 views, I made it in 10 minutes. from my long form footage. Do not let perfectionism to stop you from posting. All right, what can I change in week 2? Remember, this is an experiment, a 30 days experiment. We learn from the past to perfect the subsequent one. Here is my week 2 plan based on this week data. 1. I am making more shots in the exact style of the 146 view one. Same type of hook, same pacing. 2. I'm publishing another long form video, this time showing you exactly how I edited my short form videos to get more views. 3. I'm posting another community poll to keep the conversation going. 4. I'm replying every comment, every single one. All right, if you're watching this and you have a dead or a struggling channel, I will urge you to subscribe to this video right now. I am proving that it's possible to turn things around with real data, not hype. And drop a comment. What do you want me to test in the next video? That is our week 2 video. Thumbnails, title, posting time. I will pick the top request and make a video about it. Guys, that is week 1. 30 to 54 subscribers, 5.2 to 16.6 watch hour. One shot at 146 views. The experiment is working, but it is only the beginning. I will see you next week with week 2 results. My name is Simple. You're watching Simpleif Tube Lab. This channel is proof that dead channel can come back to life. Thank you and God bless you.